looking at the uniqueness of these of the environment in which they operate.
So how would the public become aware of these accreditations that PPDA has granted in order for them to A, participate in the processes with some knowledge, or B, maybe challenge something? How is there any forum in which the public can know about these accreditations?
They are available at our website. When we do sensitization campaigns or sensitization engagements with the public, we let them know so that they can know that this window also exists and I can approach this entity to be able to provide services.
Okay. Then could you finally just speak briefly about classified procurements? For example, if a lawyer wants to represent someone who is participating in a classified procurement, how would that lawyer or bidder access the information that they need to because those procurements are also subject to challenge? How would that procurement be challenged, or is there no remedy for challenging such classified procurements? And these I'm talking about, of course, the security services and etc.
Council Nerima will come to my assistance. For the last, I think, 20 years, I have not seen an administrative review on a classified procurement. Yeah, but it can happen. One, classified procurements under Section 42 of the Act. It provides that the defense, the national security and national security organs, they are 5 in number. We have the Ministry of Defense, we have UPDF, we have External Security Organization, Internal Security Organization, Uganda Police Force, and Uganda Prison Services. They are 5. These have undertake their procurements on what we call a dual list. The dual list is where they apply the restricted methods of bidding to those procurement requirements. That's what we call classified. The word classified may not be there in the Act, but it's called the dual list of restricted items. So under the arrangement is that on a yearly basis, these security organs have to submit a list to the authority, and we agree on it together that these shall be subjected to the restricted method. You wouldn't want to have procurements that will hinder the national security of the country. So the providers are vetted, and many of them, when you talk about, for example, security requirements, they take them through the procurement process, but using a classified contracts committee. Section 42 as amended has even a classified contracts committee. Not everything has to go to the ordinary contracts committee for those security related procurements. So one, the lawyer will have to get a copy of the bidding document and submit an administrative review to the accounting officer. They would submit the bid, the complaint to the accounting officer. Then the accounting officer will have to handle as any other ordinary procurement. So it's the client to give the lawyer the details of the procurement, and it can also be subjected to administrative review. That's what I can say, John, with respect to that.
Yeah. So I've also been advised that with these forms of procurement, the law provides that the entity will proceed under a restricted domestic bidding method, which will be direct. So the likelihood of it being challenged by another bidder is slim. Save for instances if when that classified procurement is for a framework for a group of providers, then possibly one provider out of the many who has not given it challenge, but otherwise it will ordinarily be given to one specific bidder. We thank you very much, dear participants, for being engaged with us and for sticking by us through these over 4 hours. The numbers have hardly changed. That shows that they were very engaged. We thank the team, very eminent team of lawyers with over 20 years experience. We are very grateful to each one of them for their time and for their participation. We thank the Law Society for hosting this event, and we also thank PPDA for physically giving us this venue. Thank you so much. We have come to the end of this presentation. We wish you a good day. Thank you.
Thank you.